Okay.
Hello, it's me again. I just got home with this big pile of wood, which I'm going to stack over here, I guess. Guess it's going to go here. Put some of it here, I guess. This would be okay, wouldn't it? Okay. Let's see where you are. You can probably come closer so you can watch the proceedings. Just to help me work fast. Now, I thought I would use some of these big long ones in the shed. In the tempo over there. Thought I would make some shelving in there if I could. So you never know when you're going to want to build something. And it's very important to have supplies on hand. Now these are going to be for the teepee. So I'll throw them over there. This is a decoration. Isn't this a beautiful piece? It's huge. Okay, and then these I can just leave it for Cindy. She wants me to frame it all in there. See, this big one, I thought I would use this in the tempo. See if it fits over here. No, it's not quite long enough. Not quite tall enough either. But I'll leave it there and I'll use another one with it. Maybe I can make along there. That was my slab board. And this is another long one, which I think would be good for building shelving in here. There's ice on stuff. This would be good for shelving too. You see, you never know what you're going to get when you get slab. You know, slab is supposed to be just the ends of the sticks. I mean, just the bark. I thought, well, these are all slab. It's not slab, these are wooden sticks. Except this one is a board. Not bad for 20 bucks, eh? You didn't see all the stuff I already got. This isn't going to be long enough in here. but it might work. La 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 This is another big one. Isn't that neat? But this one, this reminds me of a crocodile, doesn't it? Oh, should probably put this in the yard. Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, that's a good crocodile. I think it's going to look nice. I hear those gunshots again, eh? They get pretty close. That one wasn't very close. Not like the one when I was getting the wood. Boy, that one sounded like it was right beside me, you know? And look at this big one. Isn't this neat? I think I put it at the base of the teepee somewhere. Those look pretty nice at the base of the teepee, actually. Okay. Okay, let's see what the time is. Time is now